How are you guys? Welcome to our first lesson in ARA programming. My name is Vincent Simoko. So in our first lesson I'm going to show you how to download the ARA setup. So here is what you do. You open your browser, be it Google Chrome or whatever you are using. Then here you just type ARA setup. So this is how I'm going to download my ARA. Okay, I come here, we're saying download ARA 4.1.0. Okay, here I click here where it's saying download ARA. If I click here, then you see right away that my ARA is starting to download. While ARA is downloading, I will open another tab. Then here I'm going to type download ARA Studio. Then I click on it. Then I open this one. My ARA setup will be in my computer in less than a minute. Here it's saying download free, so this is the one that I want you to use. So if you click here, download ARA Studio for Windows, yes, that's the one that I want. I click here. It's now preparing to download. My network is a bit unstable here, but I can see that my ARA Studio is already downloading. So this is how you download your ARA. So here you can see that my ARA is now downloaded. So if I right click here and I open show in folder, then here it will show me where my ARA is. So this is the one that I've just downloaded. So if I double click it, I'll be now installing the package. So if you double click here, it's now preparing to install this ARA. Then to install, you click where it's saying run. So if you press OK here, it's now about to install. Then it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then if I click yes, then I select English, yes. Then here it gives you this information that you must read. Then you go on to press next after reading the information. Then you press next again. Then you press next again. Here I advise you to accept defaults. Then if I click next, here click next, I advise you not to make any changes. So now my ARA is installing. So I'm installing my ARA 4.1.0 and it doesn't take a lot of time. very soon it will be in. Let me check what's happening with my RStudio. My RStudio is more than halfway downloading. Okay, there's this one which is less than a minute. Okay, it's because my network is a bit unstable. Let me pause this one, or let me cancel it. So this one is less than a minute. So here I can see that my RStudio is finished downloading, and here my R is still installing, so I will have to wait up until R is installed first, then I will install RStudio. My RStudio is about to finish, so my RStudio is completed installing, so I press finish. Then here now I click show in folder here on my RStudio, then I double click here to install. So whilst it is installing, I want to check if my R is working properly. So I scroll down to check where my R is. So there is new R, that's the one that I want. I want the one that I've just installed, which is this one. So if I open this R, it's showing here. So here, if I maximize my window, then I'll check print hello world. I want to check if my R is working properly. Yeah, here I can see it's working properly. Then I will do another check. 15 minus 8, 7. So my R is working properly. I normally don't recommend people to work using this basic R. Normally I want people to work in the RStudio version. So just like how I've installed and opened this one, that's how we will do with your RStudio. And I've pinned my RStudio on my taskbar, so I'm going to open it from here and show you how RStudio looks like. It's taking time to open. Okay, so this is the RStudio. So most of the work we will do it here because the RStudio is easier to use. So that's all I had for you today. Let's meet in our next lesson. Thank you.